Jamaica. In 909, I'm in Jamaica, West Indies. 909, 1963. Jamaica, West Indies. Right back at you, Breaker.
CQDX 151, South Carolina. Standing by.
151, you took everybody clean from my radio. Hey, 151, you took everybody clean from my radio. Good morning, 151, 1963 Jamaica, right there.
Well, good morning to you there, 1963. How's everything in Jamaica today? You got a nice warm day there?
Hey, 151, sunshine, blue sky, man, the sun is shining in all its glory. Hey, 151, the sun is shining in all its glory. 151, it's a lovely morning down here in Jamaica. Breaker?
Copy that, 1963. That's fantastic to hear. We got chilly day here today. We're going to have chilly days for a while coming up. I want our warm weather back. I want to be just like it is in Jamaica. I want to be out there in shorts and a t-shirt. What do you think of that there, 1963? How about some shorts and a t-shirt and out there with a nice cold beer in your hand?
Hey, 151, let me tell you something, man. You're welcome to come on down here anytime you want to. Well, let me tell you something. I'm just in my shorts right now, man. It's warm weather we have down here. Hey, 151. I'm just wearing my shorts right here, right now, because it's a lovely day. It's crystal blue sky, man. The sky is crystal blue. Clear sky. We have down here in Jamaica, and the sun is shining. The sun is bearing down on us right now. 151, 1963 Jamaica City. You're welcome.
Copied all of that there, 1963. Hey, you enjoy that beautiful weather that you're having. But I'll be thinking of you in summertime here when it's like that here now, and you're really down there sweltering. So don't rub it in too hard. Enjoy that weather, but don't rub it in too hard. Hey, 1963, it's been great talking to you. I hope you have a happy new year. You know, 151 in South Carolina. I'm going to wave and say 73s to you there, 1963.
Here as right on 151. You take care, take it easy, man. I will wish you a happy and a prosperous 2021. 151, take care, take it easy, my brother. Sounding good down here in Jamaica as usual. 151, South Carolina, 1963. Working with super fine audio. And I'm going to tell you, 151, have yourself a great day.